welcome to Lulu Looks. This is my first channel. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, but before we get started, make sure to do a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. Here's these two, and then I have this one. Okay, so first I like to do the lighter colors. So I'm gonna do this one. Okay, and I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, now I'm going to do this color right here. Okay, now I'm going to do my color that I picked. It's this orange color-ish. Okay, now the other eye. Okay. Now I'm going to do the mascara. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the blush. I have this blush right here. Okay, now the last thing we're doing is our lipstick. Okay. Well, that's all for today. See you tomorrow.